Hey, shout out to my #1 fan. All right, new project in the house. I just took it apart, well, at least this side, and I figured, you know what? I whip out the camera and do a quick restoration slash refurbish. I don't know. We'll see. This side's looking horrible. Look at that. It's dented in. Who knows if I can even fix that. It does work, but it needs attention. I'll tell you that much right now. It is in terrible shape. I know that this comes out by knocking off this little pin here, as you can see. Basically one of these, you gotta pry it, and then it come out. Oh, see that? Oh shit. Hey, shout out to this bug that died in here. Throw him in the trash real quick. Yeah, it's looking like a mess, huh? What do you think? Look at this. Not too bad. It's got to be cleaned up a little bit. Let's see how the magnets are looking. Yeah, very dirty inside here, as you can see. So the next step is to get something to clean this out. I usually don't like using this type of thing because you can scratch it up, but as you see, I am doing it just to show you that it works really good. Not that bad, actually. Yeah, this tool here is working out pretty good for this situation. Blow it out. So I've been going around this grill with a wire brush, getting all the rust off and whatever other debris that was on here. I'm gonna grab some sandpaper, scuff it all up, and then I'm going to paint this. I'm thinking of going black. Shout out to my telephone, always ringing when I'm videotaping. Also, while I have you here, I want to give a shout out to my lizard. Yep, you heard it right, my lizard. Check him out. He just walked in the shop a little while ago, so I put him in here. Alright, there he is. Yeah, he's just a baby. I'm gonna let him out in the backyard. He's a sneaky bastard. Anyways, that's the first coat. Let that dry. I'm out of here with this guy so we don't suffocate. Alright, now this back plate is dented. So I'm thinking just grabbing the hammer, the wooden part of it, and just whacking it while I'm holding it. Just like so. That way I don't overdo it. It's going, as you can see. It's looking pretty proper, right? Damn, yeah. Let's see if I can get a little more force in here. How we're looking. Oh shit, huh? It's getting really close. Just this corner here. So let's see if I can get that corner. Oh, just got the camera. Like that. If I can hit and then scrape against the wall. Like that. Now this side looks crimped too. There we go. This is going to be in my way. There we go. Alright, let's see how we're looking. Wow. Good as new. Holy shit. Let me zoom you out a little bit, yeah. There we go. The blade is not too bad. I'm not going to do anything to it. Just clean it up. I do like to look for a logo, put it in the middle. Wow, look how dirty my hands are. Shit. I'm not sure how many of you remember when I first started making knives back in 2013. I had a theme. You remember what that theme was? You in the back. You guessed it. Recycling. That's right. Oh, it's a real surprise. Somebody remembered. Well, anyways. Shout out to the recycling theme. You guys remember that? Ooh. Not even sure if it's gonna work. Right there. Alright, while I wait for the paint to dry, I'm just gonna put this all back together. I've got the shaft nice and clean. Bearing. Looking pretty good. Okay, let's see if I can get this in here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take this out first and then put the shaft first. Make things easier for me, right? Let's see how that looks. Alright, so that's going to be like that. Okay, very good. Put that down and I'm going to lubricate this here. Some WD-40. Not much. That's enough. Slide it. So. Okay. Let's see where we at. That's looking pretty good. Screws. One here. Now, I can see I shifted over a little bit, so I'm going to have to twist this a little bit right there. Let's see if I can get that back. Nope. How far am I off? Let's see. Right there. There we go, as you can see. Put the first nut that holds it into place. Actually, I think it's this bottom one. It's a little thicker. I gotta look for a click hole after this. I'm gonna click hole all of this. The thread's already tight on the nut. Key is to hit on the side like I just did right there. Okay. It's looking pretty good. Let's see if it's still spinning. Freely it is. Now while I'm here, see this prong? Very dirty. Look at this. That's another thing. Clean up the prong. I'm actually just going to go to the belt sander and do this. As you can see, way better. Just got to clean these off. But I'll do that later. Alright, change of plans. I don't have any gloss right now, so I'm going to put everything back together, and when I do get gloss, I'll just gloss the whole damn thing. But here's how I have it. I don't want to paint over it. I want to leave that. I just want to gloss it right over it, protect it. And that's what it needs right now, is just gloss. I thought I had it, but it's gloss cobalt. There's actually a mixture of color into it. I didn't know what. So let me go get the grill. The grill is looking really nice. That's the only thing that I did change. I painted. Okay.